Hey, domain investors! Ever wondered how a simple web address can become a six-figure asset? We'll sit back and let Domain Central teach you the secrets. Let's dive into the world of brand building with premium domains, where the goal isn't a quick flip, but a massive payday. Stick with me because I'm dropping real insider tips you won't find in your average domain forum. Alright, let's kick it off. What actually makes a domain a true brand builder? You want something short, punchy, and unforgettable. Picture a name that pops on a billboard or looks sharp on a business card, something that just oozes potential. If you wouldn't launch a company on it, keep hunting. But here's where most people miss out. Simply owning a killer name isn't enough. The real money comes when you turn that domain into a brand. Give it a story, a vibe, a vision. Set up a crisp, clean landing page, not just some plain for sale sign. I'm talking a simple logo, a smart tagline, and a vision statement about what that domain could become. Paint a picture. Is it the future of e-commerce? The next big health startup? Show buyers what's possible. Now don't just leave your branded gem to collect dust. Get loud about it. Share it on social media, post in entrepreneur groups, even drop it on your LinkedIn and Twitter. Write a quick blog post or press release hyping up the opportunity. Make your domain look like a business in a box, ready for action. Here's the kicker: serious buyers like startups and big brands are always searching for names that give them an instant edge. If you can hand them a domain that's already got a mini brand and a story to match, they'll pay a premium for it. So don't just list your domains, build them up, market them hard, and watch your digital assets soar in value. If you got value from this, stick around to the end and drop your questions or stories in the comments. I genuinely want to hear from you. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and check out namehall.com for more on building digital wealth. Share this video with your network and have a fantastic day.